An important key to creating your business playbook is understanding the structure of the content inside of it. At the top, we have subjects. Subjects are like a book on a specific area of your business. It might be company information, it might be policies, it might be processes. It's basically all related to a specific thing in your business. Inside of subjects, we have topics. Topics are like the chapters inside of the book. So we may have different topics, but all of them relate to the overarching subject. Inside of topics, we have steps. This is where you're going to document the policies, the processes, everything else. You'll use text, you'll use multimedia. This is where the actual instruction happens. It's important to know that subjects are the core unit of assignment inside of Trainual. That means that when you assign a subject to a group or a person, they get access to all the topics and steps inside that subject. That's why it's really important to create your subjects for the group or groups that need to receive them. And that's why starting by identifying your groups and responsibilities is super important, because those inform you about the content you're going to need to create. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Now, if you really want to master Trainual, check out Trainual University in the link below.